Hi, I'm Kerry, your Northwest VA guy, talking about your local market here in the Treasure Valley and what's going on here in Idaho. Hey, Treasure Valley, I'm Kerry, your Northwest VA guy, coming to you all things about Treasure Valley, what's going on here in Idaho. I had a great last Saturday. When I go through and close a VA transaction on a purchase here in Treasure Valley, I always put up an American flag at the house. And I was proud to be able to go through and do 5 of them this past Saturday. Just such an amazing thing to go through and do, and a blessing, truly something I'm thankful to be able to give back to this community. On the eve right here of Thanksgiving, there's a lot of pleasant things to go through and talk about. Rates are coming down. There's activity, there's more availability on properties, stuff we're going through and happening right now. And I said this in my last video and the one before, this is the best time period right now, is rates are sliding before they take over certain things and get robust on economic factors of pushing more people in the housing market. Right now is your time to go through and take advantage of that. So I don't think anything's going to go through and change. Yes, the weather's changing and things will slow down. You're typically your good months to go through and buy just because of that economic slowdown. Sellers having a hard time selling it are December, January, and February. Those 3 months are a little bit more slowdown in our community here, but it's opportunity is what I always look at it. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me or my team. We love to go through and help you here at Creekside Mortgage and get you in that position, whether it's today, 2 weeks from now, 2 months from now, or even 2 years from now. We'll work with you at our cost to go through and get you approved to be able to do a transaction. So reach out to us. We're looking forward to it. Thank you. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Now subscribe to the channel, and you can always keep updated on weekly events. Anything new coming up on VA, we'll let you know. Thanks.